Europe, your 20% enrollment kit special has been extended until the 16th of September, and yours is a little different than the US, where current customers can also take advantage of getting 20% off the enrollment kits above Family Essentials. The only thing for current customers, it can only be done on a standard one-time order, which means you will not earn points. You'll earn your points in shipping, but you will not earn points on the kit itself. So, but it's still a really great way. If these are the oils that you want, it's still a great way to get them at a greatly reduced cost. And so that's until the 16th of September. Now for you, your product of the month is rosemary. So 125 PV order before the 15th will get you rosemary for free. Rosemary, again, is also really good for focus. Can you see a theme here? Focus, 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 focus. So this is really good for focus. It's really good for mental clarity. It's great to cook with. It's good for memory recall. It's an amazing blend. And you know, I have this in that Study Buddy blend all the time. It's phenomenal. And you're getting for 10% off, you're getting the HD Clear facial kit. And so that's 10% off. And if you have anyone who has pimples in their life, then this is going to be the product for them. And it's 10% off the entire system. So that's really good. But Amazeballs, you have a 200 PV promo. So if you spend 200 PV, any 200 PV order, so this could be a new enrollment kit, this could be your loyalty order, you are going to get wild orange, oregano, and lavender for free. That is just absolutely amazing. So lavender, we all know, is good for all things calming. Hey, Linda. So lavender is going to help you with sleeping and relaxation, which you'll need after a hard day. The oregano is going to be good for your emergency immune support. So if you feel like you're getting a little tickle in your throat, if you think that you might be getting sick, one of my friends was having a sinus issue and she, gargled with her oregano. She hated it, but it worked and it was gone within a day, whereas before it would last several. So we love that. And then wild orange is just an excellent oil. It's an antioxidant. It is adaptive to your stress. So this is something that you can use on a daily basis. I use wild orange in my water and I smell it just like a scent tent several times a day just to keep me uplifted and positive and perky and all those things. So we love us some wild orange.